तो ये है क्लास 9 एसएसटी का क्वेश्चंस एंड एक्टिविटीज चैप्टर 2 ज्योग्राफी का शेपिंग ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस का क्वेश्चंस एंड एक्टिविटीज सेक्शंस का क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो ये है पहला क्वेश्चन। What are the sources of energy that are required to cause movements associated with the internal forces of the earth? तो इसका आंसर है यहाँ पे The movements associated with the internal forces of the earth are caused by the heat energy from the earth's core. This heat creates convection currents in the mantle as hot molten material rises and cooler material sinks. These convection currents cause the tectonic plates to move, resulting in earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, folding and faulting. Question number 2 है हम लोग के पास relate various physiographic divisions you have studied in the earlier grades with various endogenic forces responsible for their origin. तो इसका आंसर हो जाएगा different physiographic divisions are formed by different endogenic forces. The Himalayan mountains were formed by the collision and folding of tectonic plates. The Deccan Plateau was formed mainly due to volcanic activity. Rift valleys were formed due to faulting caused by the movement of tectonic plates. Volcanic mountains and islands were formed by volcanic eruptions. Thus, different endogenic forces are responsible for the formation of different landforms. तो तीसरा क्वेश्चन हम लोगों के पास Why and where do earthquakes occur frequently? Is it possible to predict earthquakes? इसका आंसर हम लोगों के पास आंसर Earthquakes occur due to the sudden release of energy when tectonic plates move, collide or slide past one another. They occur most frequently along plate boundaries, especially around the Pacific Ring of Fire. In India, earthquake-prone regions include the Himalayan region, Northeast India, Gujarat, and the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. At present, it is not possible to predict the exact time and place of an earthquake, although scientists can identify earthquake-prone areas. Thank you.